Hello kids, today we will learn Roman numerals a little more in details. We have already learnt about the Hindu-Arabic system of numbers. Let us see what is the difference between Hindu-Arabic system of numbers and Roman system of numbers. Hindu-Arabic system of numbers. The Hindu-Arabic system has 10 symbols for numbers, and they are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The Roman numeral system has 7 symbols, and they are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. And children, you can see here the symbols are in capital letters. The second point, one or more symbols are placed together to form a number. Let us consider one example. Here you can see the 3 digits 2, 6 and 5. These 3 digits are placed together to form the Hindu-Arabic number 265. It is also same. One or more symbols are placed together to form a number. Let us consider one example. You can see 2 symbols here, that is V and I. These 2 symbols are placed together to give the Hindu-Arabic number 6. Last point, in the Hindu-Arabic system, each symbol has a place value. Let us consider one example, 265. If we split this number, we can write it as 200 plus 60 plus 5. It means 5 has the place value as 5 ones, 6 has the place value as 6 tens, and 2 has the place value as 2 hundreds. But the Roman numerals do not follow the place value system. Every symbol has given its definite value. Here in this chart you can see that I has the value as 1, V has the value as 5, X has the value as 10, L has the value as 50, C has the value as 100, D has the value as 500 and M has the value as 1000. Lastly, there is no symbol used for 0 in number system. Okay, so next children, there are certain rules which we have to follow to write the Roman system of numbers, and these rules are rule of repetition, rule of addition, rule of subtraction. So let us learn each rule one by one. The first rule, rule of repetition. When a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 and 3 respectively. Here twice means 2 times and thrice means 3 times. Just see this chart. M has the value 1000. Okay, here M is repeated how many times here? 2 times here. So 1000 will be multiplied by 2 to give you the value 2000. Next, here you can see M is repeated how many times? 3 times. So 1000 is multiplied by 3 to give the value 3000. Okay, the next point is symbol I, X, C and M can be repeated 3 times at maximum. It means these 4 symbols cannot be used more than 3 times. In this chart you can see that 1 has the symbol as I, 2 can be written as II and 3 can be written as III. But here you can see 4 cannot be written as III because the symbol I is repeated 4 times here and it is not as per the rule. Okay, so I will be repeated only maximum 3 times. Next point, symbol V, L and D are never repeated. That is symbols for 5, 50 and 500 cannot be repeated. In this chart you can see 10. 10 you cannot write as 5 plus 5. You cannot write it because 10 has the symbol as x. Okay children. Now our second rule of addition. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. Let us consider one example. Here you can see the two symbols. They are x and I. X is the greater value and I is the smaller value. So the smaller value is present to the right of the greater value. So I will be added with x. Okay. X has value as 10. I has value as 1. So 10 plus 1 gives us the Hindu Arabic number 11. Okay. Our third and the last rule is rule of subtraction. Okay. So what is the first point? If a symbol of smaller value is to the left of a symbol of higher value, we subtract the smaller value from the higher value. Okay, let us consider the example. Here two symbols are used, x and c. C is the higher value and x is the smaller value which is present to the left of higher value. X equal to 10 and c equal to 100. So xc can be written as 100 minus 10 and this gives us the Indian Arabic number as 90. Okay. So next point. The symbol V, L and D cannot be subtracted from any number. Okay. So let us see this by one example. Suppose 95. Okay. 95 cannot write it 100 minus 5 because 5 is the number or 5 is the value of V and V cannot be subtracted. It is against the rule. So you cannot write it as VC. So then what you will write? 95 can be written as 90 plus 5. 90 has the symbol XC and 5 has the symbol V. So 95 can be written as XCV. Okay. Our next point. I, X and C are used to subtract. These three symbols are only used to subtract. Okay. So here is a chart. You can see here IV. IV means 5 minus 1 equal to 4. IS equal to 10 minus 1 equal to 9. Like this way. XL equal to 50 minus 10 equal to 40. XC equal to 100 minus 10 equal to 90. CD equal to 500 minus 100 equals to 400. CM equal to 1000 minus 100 equals to 900. Okay. So like this way you can follow the rules. Okay. So by following the rules we can also write the other Hindu Arabic numbers. Like 200. 200 can be written as 100 plus 100 and the symbols will be CC. Like that way 300, 100 plus 100 plus 100 and it gives us the symbol CCC. Like 600 you can write it as 500 plus 100. It will be symbol for 500 is D, symbol for 100 is C. So it becomes DC. Like that way 700, 500 plus 200, 500 symbol is D. 200 we have already find out here. Okay. CC. So 700 symbol will be DCC. Like 800. 800 is 500 plus 300. D stands for 500 and CCC stands for 300. So symbol will be DCC. Now it is very easy to write Roman numbers if you follow these rules. Okay, that's all for today. Hope this video will help you to write the Roman numerals. Thank you.